Viewers, after the withdrawal of Tigray Defense Forces from Amhara and Afar regions, fighting has entered Tigray region again. As per reports, fighting is ongoing between Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force along with its allies in many areas of Tigray region. Al-Amata is on the top, where intense fighting is underway. Ethiopian army along with its allies have entered Al-Amata, located in southern Tigray. It seems Ethiopian army along with allies is entering Tigray region now. Viewers, as per detail, Al-Amata is in the control of Tigray Defense Force so far, but fighting is underway. Ethiopian army along with its allies is trying its best to take control Al-Amata. Viewers, Abala is the second front where fighting is underway. Abala is located on Tigray-Afar border. Ethiopian National Defense Force and Afar forces are trying to enter Tigray region from this front. But Tigray Defense Force is not allowing them to enter Tigray region. That's why peace fighting is underway at this front. Viewers, the Tigray People's Liberation Front had announced its withdrawal from neighboring Amhara and Afar regions. But Ethiopian government rejected Tigray People's Liberation Front stance and said the Ethiopian army was clearing rebellious Tigrayan forces from the northern Amhara and Afar regions, dismissing Tigrayan statement that forces were retreating voluntarily to create an opening for peace. Whereas government spokeswoman Belen Sayom told a news conference, as we have seen in recent weeks, the National Defense Forces together with allied forces from the Afar region and the Amhara region have made considerable gains in reversing the occupation by Tigray People's Liberation Front of many Amhara and Afar towns. She said these gains have been made in very heavy battles that have been undertaken over the past weeks, the most recent being the full clearing of Tigray People's Liberation Front from North Wollo zone and liberating its strategic capital Voldia. Here she added the National Armed Forces were still in the process of clearing Tigray People's Liberation Front forces from pockets within the two regions, means Amhara and Afar. Viewers, thanks for your precious time.